Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my John Deere 1025r tractor. So the last video you would have seen with the tractor is spreading 2 tandem loads of dirt, and this worked great. And today's project is spreading out 16 tons of 1/2 inch clear gravel. So for this job I'll be able to leave the mower deck on. All the area that I'm working is level, and I'll make sure not to fetch up on anything. What I'd like to do is dig up the amount of gravel about the bucket width going down here, putting fresh gravel down to make a nice edge all the way down. And leading to the barn, I have a real hard time with grass growing here, so what I'm thinking is doing gravel coming around a little bit of a curve here, and I'll put the little boat trailer and my utility trailer right here out of the way. There are a lot of large roots through here, so hopefully they'll be low enough that they'll be buried below the gravel. What I'm going to do before I spread the new gravel is I'm going to scoop up some of the gravel going along the edge of the driveway where it meets up with the grass. This is filled in with grass and a little bit of dirt and whatnot, so we're going to take up some of that, put it as the base here, and then we'll take the fresh gravel and lay a nice coat along the border there. Alright, so we got her scraped off pretty good here. There was a lot of roots here, so there was a couple little spots I couldn't get to, but 95% of the grass is gone. And this is the general curve I'm going to go in like that, straight across there. It's going to match up with the corner of the existing. Alright, so we got lots of gravel down, so what we want to do is level this out and smooth it. So we're going to back drag it. So it's getting there nicely. It's getting fairly smooth. So I just want to make a nice straight line where it meets up with the grass. What I'm doing when I'm back dragging is I'm using the float feature, which is all the way forward with your bucket. That just allows it to follow the contour of the ground, but getting rid of some of the bumps. So this is probably 95% done. Turned out nice. You have to rake it after just to get rid of a little bit of the bumps and whatnot. Have a little ramp going into the shed. I know this will erode after a while or start falling down. I'm going to end up making a wood one. This is my temporary ramp, which should be more than fine. It's quite a bit of gravel there. And again, this is 1/2 inch clear. This is what the rest of my driveway is. If you want something that packs, this is not a packing type of gravel. What we're going to do next is put some fresh gravel right along the gravel where it meets the grass to make a nice edge. So we're getting there. It cleans up that nice transition between the gravel and the grass. Getting a decent sized bucket loads. Again, that's quite a bit of weight there. So we're going to finish this. I need a little bit of gravel in the pool area, so we'll take a bucket load over there, and then we're going to smooth out this and hopefully top dress the top of this gravel as much as we can here. So the old tractor worked great. Put about 3.5 hours on it to do this project. Alright, so we got our Saturday project all finished. We added this area here coming from the barn, and we had enough gravel to top coat the whole entire driveway. Put about 1 inch or 2 on. A few little spots I gotta rake out a little bit. Enough gravel to do in around the pool area. See, the old front of the tractor is getting as gray as me. Gonna get this all washed up and dried off and put it in the garage for the night. And we all know these little tractors aren't cheap, so doing little projects like this certainly helps it pay for itself. If you're going to get a load of gravel, which is close to $500, and somebody here to add a little side parking spot down there and to top coat it, no doubt you're probably looking at another $500 on top of that. So that's where these are nice and handy, and you can do it when you have the free time to do it. And on to the next project. Thanks for watching.